City lights drip like honey on the windshield glass. Two silhouettes in a quiet world that moves too fast. Soft keys in the speakers, like candles in the air. And every mile feels slower when your hand is there. Whisper, come closer, let the highway disappear tonight. We don't chase time, we let it circle here. I like the way you breathe when the bass comes in low, like you were praying to the rhythm, letting worries let go. The street signs flash secrets we don't have to read. I don't need a destination, no son, I just need your ease. Your perfume on my hoodie, you laugh in the dark. That little pause before you speak is past the part that sparks. And the world outside the windows feels distant and small, like we parked inside a slow song, safe from it all. If you want, we can talk about the things we never say, or we can let the silence sing and drive the ache away. I'm not here to rush a moment, I'm not here to take control. I'm here to hold you gently till the night turns gold. Whisper, tell me what you needed told. Imagine note for note. Slow down, let the night lean in. Let the lights blur, let the heat begin. We don't have to hurry, we don't have to prove. That's just you and me in a velvet groove. Close now, feel the calm, feel the rush. One breath, one glance, one soft touch. Hush on the dashboard, the moonlight plays, and I'm yours in the quiet ways. Your fingers trace a circle on my wrist and stop, like you're learning my heartbeat where the daylight drops. I turn the volume up, but the room is still your side, and every little movement feels like alibis for all the feelings we've been hiding under. I'm okay, but baby, in this midnight we can let it all fall away. No pressure, no performance, no pretending to be tough. There's a slow, steady tenderness, more than enough. I catch your eyes at red lights like a secret little dare, and you smile like you know I'm already standing there. On that edge where desire meets comfort, where the truth feels safe. Where you come here is a promise and you stay is grace. Whisper, if you say yes, I'll keep it gentle, I'll keep it gentle, I'll keep it paid. We've both been through the loud kind of love, the kind that breaks plates and calls it trust. But this is the quiet kind of fire, the kind that warms you without turning you to dust. So let the city keep spinning, let the neon keep shouting. We were in our own soft language, no explaining, no doubting. If your heart is tired, I'll carry it slow. If your mind is heavy, I'll make room for it to flow. Whisper, I'm not here for the chase, I'm here for the close. Slow down, let the night lean in, let the lights blur, let the heat begin. We don't have to hurry, we don't have to hurry, we don't have to prove. Just you and me in a velvet groove. Close now, feel the calm, feel the rush. One breath, one glance, one soft touch. Hush on the dashboard, the moonlight plays, and I'm yours in the quiet way. We can ride till morning, forget sun. 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 Candles don't ask questions, they just glow. And the room turns softer when the curtains let go. A slow piano, light footsteps across the floor, and you look like trouble I've been praying for. Whisper, don't run, good night. We tell the truth, we hide. There's a story in your stare, like a locked up room, like you loved too hard before and you still feel the bruise. I won't pull at your secrets like threads in a sleeve. I'll sit with you in silence till you choose to breathe. Your voice gets low and the air gets sweet, and I swear the night is listening. Try not to speak. You say you like control, but you're tired of the mask. And I say I like your honesty, that's all I ask. Let me be the safe place where your shadows can rest. Not the kind of love that haunts you, the kind that holds your chest. No games, no threats, no tangled pride, just two grown hearts taking their time. Whisper, tell me your confession and I'll keep it alive. After dark we don't pretend, we don't play cool, we don't play friends, we lean in slow, we speak in breath. A love so quiet it feels like death. After dark, when the world goes mute, your name tastes sweet like forbidden fruit. No fear, no rush, just skin close trust. After dark, it's only us. You move like a secret, like a page turns slow, like you're scared of wanting more than you're supposed to show. But I see your hands tremble when the music drops low. And I don't call you weak, it make I call it letting go. I ask you what you want, you bite your lip then laugh, like you can't believe someone would give you that. I tell you, say it, and you finally do. When the room gets warm with the sound of you. Not explicit, not reckless, just real, just right. Like two adults choosing tenderness in the middle of night. If you need to stop, we stop. If you need to breathe, we breathe. Your comfort is a rhythm, your yes is the key. Whisper, I'm not here to take it, not here to receive. Let the past stay outside like noise in the street. Let the guilt fall off your shoulders at my feet. You are not your mistakes, you are not your scars. You're a slow burning star in a room full of dark. So come closer, no pressure, no chain, no claim. Just hands that are careful and a heart that stays. Whisper, say my name, here is you, ain't it? After dark, we don't pretend, we don't play cool. We don't play friends, we lean and slow, we speak in breath. A love so quiet, it feels like death. After dark, when the world goes mute, your name tastes sweet like forbidden fruit. No fear, no rush, just skin close trust. After dark, it's only us. Candles bend like they were bowing to the mood, and your sigh is a vow that the night understood. Whisper after dark confessions. I'm keeping everyone. Oh, soft strings in the corner, like a warm memory. Piano notes falling gently, like they afraid to leave. You step into the room and the room turns kind, like love took its shoes off and finally had time. Whisper, come here, cry forever. I don't want fast love, I don't want quick flames. I want the kind that lingers, the kind that learns your name. In every little detail, your shoulders, your smile, the way you get quiet when you feel too much for a while. I'll pour the night like wine, slow, deep, sweet. Let the tension in your jaw melt into peace. Tell me how your day went, tell me what you didn't say. Then let me hold your waist till the noise fades away. Your head on my chest, my hand in your hair. We don't need the world's permission to be careful here. Whisper if you wanna kiss, but I'll make it a home. Slow motion kisses, slow motion love, like the whole night's floating on a soft little hush. No rush, no race, just breathe and bliss. One long minute in a slow motion kiss. Slow motion kisses, stay close, don't miss it. In slow motion kiss, we writing our story with slow motion kisses. Your lips meet mine like a promise kept, like all that waiting finally paid its debt. And I smile cause you're smiling, like you feel it too, brother, cause that I'm kinda wanting that's honest and true. I'll turn the lights down but I won't hide you. I wanna see your face when the feeling comes through. Let your hands wander softly like you're reading a verse. Not taking, not stealing, severing, just learning my worth. If you need to pause, we pause. If you need to laugh, we laugh. Love doesn't have to be dramatic to hit you like that. I want the steady heat, the gentle pull, the way your eyes say keep going till you without losing control. Whisper slow, I don't know. Right there, right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. That's perfect. We can turn the whole room into a sanctuary. No loud demands, no urgency, just two hearts sinking under velvet sound. Like the world can't find us even if it looked around. And if you've been lonely, let me undo that. Ignite with fireworks and script with the way I stay. Whisper, I'm here, I'm here, I'm here, I'm here. Slow motion kisses, slow motion love, like the whole night's floating on a soft little hush. No rush, no race, just breathe and bliss. One long minute in a slow motion kiss. Slow motion kisses, stay close, don't miss dancing in slow motion kisses. We writing our story with slow motion kisses. Piano fades out like a final sigh, and we don't say goodnight, we just stay inside. This slow, sweet moment we made on purpose. Whisper slow motion kisses. That's my favorite kind of service. There's a quiet kind of heartbreak you carry in your skin, like a song you stop playing, but it still lives within. Tonight, I won't ask you to be fine or move on. I'll sit in the dark with you till the dark is gone. Whisper, bring your ghosts. I'm not afraid of them. You tell me you got it, and I nod like I understand, 'cause I've seen what love can do when it slips out of your hands. I've watched people promise forever and leave you in the cold, and it makes you build a wall out of what you couldn't hold. But baby, I'm not here to test you, I'm not here to blame. I'm here to be consistent when the night calls your name. Let your tears be honest, let your anger be real. Healing isn't pretty, slowly, but it's how you feel. I'll turn the music low, let the room breathe slow. And when your chest gets tight, I'll remind you you're not alone. Whisper, take my hand, we'll walk this gently. Turn your ghost to gold, let the hurt unfold. I won't rush your healing, I won't let you hold all that pain forever. Yeah. No, not tonight. We're turning ghost to gold in the soft moonlight. Turn your ghost to gold, let your heart be told. Love can be safe, love can be slow, love can be slow. Returning ghosts to gold. You flinch at compliments like they traps in disguise, and I hate what they did to you behind those pretty lies. So I say it again, steady, calm, and clear. You deserve good love, and I'm staying right here. No big speeches, no dramatic scenes, just showing up gently like a familiar dream. We talk about your past like it's a storm we survived, and I remind you you're still here, and that means you're alive. And I pull you close only if you want it, only if you choose. Listen, your shoulders drop like you're finally allowed to loose, and I kiss your forehead slow like a blessing, not a claim. And you breathe out my name like it doesn't hurt to say. Whisper, you're safe, ooh, you're safe, ooh, you're safe, ooh, you're safe. Let the old love fade like smoke in the air. Let the shame fall off, a love it never belonged there. You are not too much, you are not too hard. You are a soft wild miracle with a bruised brave heart. So we'll rebuild with patience, brick by tender brick. No sudden disappearance, no love that turns slick. And if the fear comes back, I'll still be in the room, holding you steady like a slow, faithful tune. Whisper, look at me, homie, this is different, this is real. Turn your ghost to gold, let the hurt unfold. I won't rush your healing, I won't let you hold all that pain forever. Stealing ghost to gold in the soft moonlight. Turn your ghost to gold, let your heart be told. Love can be safe, love can be slow, love can be slow. We're turning ghosts to gold. And when you finally smile like you believe it again, I'll kiss your hand softly and whisper, amen. Whisper ghosts to gold. That's what we do. That's what we do. That's what we do. Rain on the window like a gentle applause. Slow pad humming like the world finally paused. No chaos, no questions, no need to explain now. Just warmth in the silence, and call me your name. Whisper, breathe out and let the night hold you. Yeah. You've been carrying the day like a heavy coat, smiling through the stress like you rebuilt to float. But I see your tired eyes and I know that look close, God. It's the kind of exhaustion that nobody took. So come sit with me, let the room be slow. Let the music do what it does, let the tension go. I'll make a safe space out of a simple touch, out of gentle words that don't ask too much. No pressure to perform, no need to be on. Just you being human till the worry is gone. If your mind starts racing, I'll bring it back. One soft breath, one heartbeat on a steady track. Whisper you don't have to fight tonight, I've got you. Quiet heat, quiet love, like a warm blanket from above. No storm, no spin, just peace settling in. Quiet heat, quiet kiss, a slow little moment of bliss. Close your eyes, let it be. So quiet heat, you and me. Quiet heat, you and me. I'll rub your hand slowly like I'm smoothing out time, like every little worry can fall out of your mind. We don't have to talk if the words feel tight. We can let the silence feel right. I'll kiss your temple soft like a calming refrain. Not asking for anything, just easing the strain. You lean into me like you've been needing this rest, and I hold you steady like the beat in your chest. No explicit scenes, no loud demand, just a tenderness that understands. You whisper, stay, and I answer, I'm here. And the room turns gentle when it hears that clear whisper. I'm not leaving dead arms, not in this moment, not in this mood. Let the outside world be loud somewhere else. Let the doubt fall asleep on the shelf. We are safe in the softness we choose, in the way we move slow, in the way we don't lose ourselves to the rush, to the noise, to the chase. Maybe building a calm that nobody can erase. So if you want affection, I'll give it like peace, a steady warm river that never has to leave. Whisper, quiet heat, quiet heat, quiet love, like a warm blanket from above. No storm, no spin, just peace settling in. Quiet heat, quiet kiss, a slow little moment of bliss. Close your eyes, let it be. So quiet heat, you and me. Quiet heat, you and me. Rain keeps tapping, the night keeps still, and we don't chase tomorrow, we'll chase tomorrow. We just feel. Whisper quiet heat, stay with me. Yeah, whisper quiet heat, stay with me. Yeah, stay. Blue hour in the window, the sky halfway healed. Soft piano, slow strings. This is a quiet place to feel. Whisper, come sit at it, let the day fall off your shoulders. I can see it in your posture, in the way you try to smile, like you've been carrying too much for a long, long while. And people love to tell you, be strong, be tough, but nobody really asks you if you've had enough. So I'm asking now, gently, with no judgment in my tone. Do you wanna talk, or do you wanna just be held and not be alone? You look at me like you might cry, like you might run, and I don't move fast, cause I just stay like the setting sun. I know what it's like to be tired in a quiet way, to keep showing up for everyone while your own heart decays. So let me do something simple that still feels big. Let me make room for you without asking you to shrink. We breathe together slow enough to reset, and I rub your hands like I'm erasing every regret. Not because I can fix it, but because I can listen. Sometimes love is just presence when the mind won't stop spinning. Whisper, you don't have to be okay with me, you can just be. Blue hour therapy, soft love remedy. Let the noise fade out, let your heartbeat settle me. Blue hour therapy, breathe slow, stay near. Ever, at a moment you don't have to fear. You tell me about the pressure, about the expectations, about the way you feel like you're living under bright loud stations. Always on display, always being measured, always proving your worth. Like love is something you have to treasure by earning it with exhaustion. And I hate that for you, so I pull you closer and I keep my voice true. You are enough, not because you did something grand, but because you're here, because you're human, because your heart still stands. We sit in the hush, and the hush feels kind, like the room is finally giving you back your your own mind. I kiss your forehead, slow like a soft restart, and you exhale like you've been holding your breath in the dark. If the mood turns romantic, it's still gentle, still safe, not a demand, a bit just affection finding its place. We let tenderness lead, we let calm be the spark, because sometimes the sexiest thing is peace in the dark. Whisper, let me love you softly, not to take from you, to give you rest. This is not a performance, this is not a test. This is just two people choosing what feels best. So if you want a kiss, I'll give it like a blessing. If you want space, I'll honor that with no second guessing. Let your mind unclench, let your shoulders drop before no. The world can wait outside, in here we stop. Blue hour therapy, soft love remedy. Let the noise fade out, let your heartbeat settle me. Blue hour therapy, breathe slow, stay near. River in this quiet little moment, you don't have to feel. Blue hour therapy, but the calm can stay if you let it whisper, I'm here, and you're safe, and you're safe. The lights are low, like the world's holding its breath. A soft pad humming like a secret underneath. You sit beside me like you already know. This isn't a loud kind of love, this is a slow shadow glow. Whisper, I won't shout it, I'll say it in a way only you can hear. I used to be scared of wanting too much, like desire was a dangerous thing that could ruin my touch. I keep it polite, keep it distant, keep it neat, like if I never leaned in, I never faced defeat. But then you came, absent yet, eyes like midnight water, calm but deep. And you didn't chase me, you just stayed, like you had time to keep. And I started saying your name in lowercase, not to make it smaller, dreaming just to make it closer to my face. To keep it private, to keep it mine, to wear it like a whisper when the room goes quiet and the mood turns fine. I don't want obsession that cages you, I don't want a love that controls you or claims you like property too. I want the kind of craving that honors your air, that asks, are you okay, before it says, come here. So when I look at you, I'm not hunting a thrill, while I'm learning your softness and loving your will. Whisper, tell me what you like and tell me what you don't. I'm listening, your name in lowercase, pressed to my lips like grace. Not a shout, not a scene, not the scene, just a slow dark dream. Your name in lowercase, in the candlelight haze, where the world can't see what you do to me. Your name in lower grace, 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 grace. Soft secret safe for me. Oh, and I'll say it again like I mean stay. Your skin looks warm in the dim, like velvet made human. And I swear the air changes when you choose to lean in. You don't try to impress me, you don't try to perform, you just exist in the room, and that alone turns it warm. I move closer, slow enough to let you decide, and you meet me halfway like you're done with hiding. We share a kiss that lasts longer than pride, longer than fear, longer than all the reasons we tried to pretend we didn't want this kind of closeness. And your hands, they don't rush, they don't rush, they don't grab, they just hold like you understand what tenderness demands. I breathe you in like a late night confession, and you smile like you know I'm losing my defenses. But it doesn't feel like danger bashing, it feels like relief, like the part of me that's been tense all week finally found peace. Whisper, if I look a little hungry, ask because you feel like home. With the lights turned low, let the books keep their drama, let the movies keep their chase. We don't need chaos to make desire taste. We can be dark and gentle, we can be calm and wild. The best romance is the one that protects the inner child. So if you want me, say it. If you don't, I'll step back. Either way, I'll respect you, and that's a promise I won't cry. Your name in lowercase, rest to my lips like grace. Not a shout, not a scene, not a scene, just a slow dark dream. Your name in lowercase, in the candlelight haze, where the world can't see what you do to me. Your name in lowercase, like a secret you can trust. Soft piano notes like a promise without fuss. Your perfume hangs in the air like a slow yes, and I exhale like my whole day finally left. Whisper tonight, we do this gently tonight. We do this right. I like how you don't rush me, how you don't demand, how your love feels steady like a warm open hand. You don't try to pull me deeper than I want to go. You just meet me where I am, and that's what makes me melt slow. I've seen the kind of desire that turns loud and wild, that mistakes impatience for passion and calls a style. But you answer, you move like you respect the moment, like you know that the sweetest heat is the kind that's earned and chosen. So before we even touch, we talk with our eyes, the quiet language that says you're safe and I won't cross your lines. If you need space, I give it. If you need closeness, I stay. We don't have to prove anything, so we just let the feeling play. Your fingers brush my shoulder like a question asked in silk, and I nod with a smile like yes, keep going, keep it real. Whisper, tell me your pace, 'cause I match it, breath for breath. Velvet rules, we move slow, we move true. No pressure, no games, just me and you. Velvet rules, soft heat, soft light to wait. If it doesn't feel safe, then it isn't right. Velvet rules, say it plain, say it sweet. We don't chase the moment, we let it meet. I love the way you listen when I speak with my body. Not taking, not forcing, saucing, just learning me softly. You're leaning like you're reading a letter you waited to receive, and I swear the whole room goes quiet so it can hear me breathe. Your hand finds mine and stays there steady like a vow, and I realize I've wanted this kind of calm for a while. Not the kind of night that leaves you empty and sore, but the kind of night that wraps you up and makes you feel more. I step closer and your smile turns low and serious, like you're holding something precious, not treating love like it's furious. You kiss me slow, harsh so, not to take me away, but to bring me home to the part of me that forgot how to stay. And the heat rises not like a storm, but like sunrise, gentle, sure, inevitable, the best kind of surprise. Whisper if you want my honesty, here it is. I want you with me, but I want you safe first. Let's make a rule that the night can't break. If it's not mutual, it's not ours to take. If it's not kind, it's not love. Even when the one feels loud, even when the heart says enough. So we slow it down, we check in, we breathe, we let consent be music. We let respect be needed, and that's what makes it harder. That's what makes it real, because nothing feels better than being chosen on purpose and knowing what you feel. Velvet rules, we move slow, we move true. No pressure, no games, just me and you. Velvet rules, soft heat, soft light to wait. If it doesn't feel safe, then it isn't right. Velvet rules, say it plain, say it sweet. We don't chase the moment, we let. We don't chase the moment, we let. We don't chase the moment, we let. We let. We let. A hallway hum, a distant city sound, a door clicks shut, and the world turns down. Warm lamp glow, soft sheets like cloud coated, and we don't need music loud to feel it now. Whisper, no rush, there's no one, just closeness. There's something about hotel light, baby, how it makes you feel anonymous and free, like you can be your real self without history watching you breathe. No dishes in the sink, no phone buzzing with demands, just you stepping closer and me taking your hands. We laugh a little nervous like teenagers, then slow, because grown love is knowing when to let the moment grow. I look at you and think, where have you been hiding? And you say, right here, like you're done with dividing your desire from your dignity, your softness from your pride. So we meet in the middle and we let the room decide to be a sanctuary, not a battlefield. No pressure to be perfect, just a night that feels real. Your fingers trace my jawline like you're learning my face, and I swear the lamp glow turns time into lace. Whisper, tell me what you want, and I'll do the gentle version of it. Hotel light makes the world feel far, makes your eyes look like a slow burning star. Hotel light, soft gold, soft skin, the feeling we don't have to hurry for the heat to begin. Hotel light, stay close, stay right, let me love you easy in the hotel light. You sit on the edge of the bed like a scene in a film, But you're not acting on me, you're just letting yourself feel. I come behind you slowly, asking with my breath, and you lean back like you trust what comes next. We talk in little whispers like the walls can hear, but really it's just us trying to be sincere. I tell you you're beautiful, not as a line, but it's truth, and you smile like you're finally letting that truth through. The night turns thicker, warmer, full of slow intention. Not explicit, did it, just romantic tension. Kisses that linger, hands that pause, respect that stays present even when the one draws. And I love that about us, how we can be grown and tender, how we can be bold and careful, how the heat can still be gentle. Whisper if you need me to slow down, say it, I'm right here. Let the city keep spinning like it doesn't know our names. Let the outside world keep running on its loud little games. And here we choose softness, and here we choose truth. And that's why it feels harder than any reckless move. Hotel light makes the world feel far, makes your eyes look like a slow burning star. Hotel light, soft gold, soft skin, I feel like we don't have to hurry for the heat to begin. Hotel light, stay close, stay right, let me love you easy in the hotel light. The lamp stays on low like a promise kept, and the night feels full like we finally slept. Not just bodies but worries too. Whisper, hotel light, hotel light, hotel light, and me and you.
I wrote your name in my mind like a note on a page, then folded it twice and kept it for days and days. Soft piano like pen strokes, strings like sighs of Satan's. And tonight, I'm finally brave enough to let it rise. Whisper this is a love letter, Ronnie, but I'm reading it with my hands.
I don't know when it started, it buried. Maybe that first laugh you tried to hide, or the way you looked away when you felt too seen inside. Maybe it was a gentle you carry in a world that stays loud, or the way you say I'm fine when you're not fine at all. So I started noticing many of your favorite songs, your tired eyes, the little way you soften when you trust the vibe. And I wanted to be the person who didn't rush your heart, who didn't treat your love like a prize to win fast. So I took my time, I showed up, I listened, I stayed. I learned your yes we seen, and I respected your not today. And somewhere in the middle of all that quiet care, desire showed up to kissing out loud, not unfair, just steady, warm, honest, like a candle in a storm. Whisper I want you, honest like a thrill lit, like a future heartbeat letters written in slow time. Every breath a sentence, every touch a line. Heartbeat letters, no need to rush, all need to brush it. When love feels safe, it hits deeper with a hush. Heartbeat letters, hold me close, read me softly like I matter most. I remember the first time you rested your head on my shoulder, like you were testing if I get colder. But I didn't move, I just breathed with you, and your body relaxed like it finally knew what safety felt like. And that did something to me, made me wanna be better, made me wanna love clean. So tonight, when the mood turns intimate, it still stays gentle, still stays considerate. Kisses that ask, hands that listen, silence that heals, and a rhythm in the room that feels like real. We don't have to be graphic for it to be grown, don't know. Sometimes the sexiest thing is the way respect is shown. You pull me closer, I pause like you're sure, and you nod like yes, and that certainty is pure. We move like a slow song that knows where it's going, even if the world outside keeps on not knowing. Whisper if my love feels heavy, can't tell me, I'll make it light. I'm not here to repeat what hurt you before, I'm here to be steady at the edge of your door. So if you let me in, I won't bring chaos inside. I'll bring warmth, I'll bring calm, I'll bring a love you can ride, like a slow wave, like a soft groove, like a night that keeps you whole, no matter what you've been through. Heartbeat letters written in slow time, every breath a sentence, every touch a line. Heartbeat letters, no need to rush, no need to rush it. When love feels safe, it hits deeper with a hush. Heartbeat letters, hold me close, read me softly like I matter most. If you ever doubt you're worth it, read this, I'm here. Whisper heartbeat letters, read this, and I'm in every word.
If you ever doubt you're worth it, Read this.
I'm here, whisper heartbeat letters,
And I meant every word.
hey. Hush in the room like a soft thick cloud. Piano notes dripping slow, not loud. Your eyes say more than your mouth will say. Hasn't fit and I like it that way. Whisper, stay quiet. Let your body talk. There's a power in your silence when you choose it. Not when you reach scared, when you read, not hiding it. When you read, just aware. And I can feel the message in the way you lean there, like you're saying, I want this, but you want it sincere. So I slow down on purpose, make space for your pace. Let the desire build gentle in the soft of your face. I kiss you like punctuation nation. A pause, a comma, a line. Then I stop and look at you like still fine. And you breathe out a yes, says so quiet. It feels like a prayer. And I swear the whole room turns warm just to be there. We don't need the loud language of chaos and rush. We got the kind of tension that grows in the hush. Whisper, tell me with your hands, listen. If you stay quiet, I'll stay kind. If you stay close, I'll take my time. No rush, no noise, just slow desire. If you stay quiet, I'll hear you clear. Feel your love in the hush is my favorite thing to hear. You trace my arm like you're mapping a road, and I follow your rhythm like it's a sacred code. Your breath gets deeper, my heart gets slow, and the night feels heavy in a sweet way though. I don't cross your boundaries, I don't assume. I just keep asking gently with my eyes in the room. And you keep answering little nods, little sighs, little stars. A grown kind of yes that doesn't need to disguise itself as a game. We too old for that, we won't want for last. Not a moment to snap, so we move like a slow jam that knows how to breathe. And every touch feels earned because it's given, not seized. Whisper if you want me to stop, say it if you want me closer, say that too. Silence isn't empty when it's full of trust. It's a soft private world where desire doesn't rush. So let the night be quiet, let the room be dim, and we'll speak with our patience and let the love sink in. If you stay quiet, I'll stay kind. If you stay close, I'll take my time. No rush, no noise, just slow desire. If you stay quiet, I hear you clear. If you your love in the hush is my favorite thing to hear. The music fades like a slow goodbye, but we don't leave, we just stay inside this quiet place we made. Whisper, stay quiet, stay near, stay near. Soft lights, soft sound, soft breathing, like the room itself is finally believing. We can slow down without guilt, we can rest without fear, and still feel love right here. Whisper, no pressure, no just us. You've been carrying so much that even your smile looks tired, like you were trying to be strong while your heart stays wired. So I don't come at you fast, I don't push the mood or need it. I just open my arms and offer you something good, a calm that doesn't ask you to explain your pain, a quiet that doesn't judge you for needing a break. We can sit and breathe, we can talk, we can laugh, we can let the night be simple and still feel that romance in the air like a soft perfume. Not loud, not forced, just a gentle bloom. And if desire shows up, it'll show up respectful. It'll move at your speed, it'll stay tender, it'll be careful. Because I'm not trying to take it like her, I'm trying to give to make you feel held in the way you wanna live. Whisper, you can say not tonight, and I'll still love you like it's perfect. No pressure, just us, just a slow, sweet trust. No drama, no test. Let your heart unclench and rest. No pressure, just us in this warm little hush. If love is a home, then let me be the touch. I watch your shoulders drop when you realize I mean it. That I'm not keeping score, that I'm not trying to win it. And something in your eyes turns softer, turns brave. Like you finally found a space where you don't have to behave. Like you're okay when you're not, so you lean into me. And I hold you steady like that's my favorite job to be. We share a kiss, unhungry, not rushed. Just a gentle reminder that you're more than enough. And the more you relax, the more the warmth comes alive. Like desire and peace can actually survive in the same room, in the same breath, in the same love that respects your depth. Whisper, tell me what comfortable feels like, and I'll build the night around it. Some people love loud passion because it hides the fear, but I love quiet devotion because it keeps you near. So we won't pretend, we won't push, we won't fake. We'll let the night be honest and let the calm stay. No pressure, just us, just a slow, sweet trust. No drama, no test. Let your heart unclench and rest. No pressure, just us in this warm little hush. If love is a home, then let me be the touch. And if all we do tonight is breathe and stay, that's still love, that's still okay. Whisper, no pressure, we won't push, we won't fake. We'll let the night be honest and let the calm stay. No pressure, just us, just a slow, sweet trust. No drama, no test. Let your heart unclench and rest. No pressure, just us in this warm little hush. If love is a home, then let me be the touch. And if all we do tonight is breathe and stay, that's still love, that's still okay. Whisper, no pressure, just us, just us. A soft pad, a slow piano, like the night is kneeling. Your hands find mine, and the whole room starts healing. Whisper, let me touch you, kindly touch your neck, like you read something sacred. There's a tenderness in you that the world tries too hard, and like you had to learn armor just to walk through it, guarded. So when I hold your hand, I do it with respect, not like I own you, like I honor what's next. I rub your palm slowly like I'm easing out stress, and you close your eyes like you finally allowed to rest. We don't need big words, we don't need big scenes. The love can be quiet and still feel like a dream. Your breathing gets slower, my heartbeat gets calm, and the warmth between us feels like a healing balm. If romance rises, it rises gentle, it rises sure. It rises without taking what you're not ready for, because the best desire is the kind that brings peace, not the kind that leaves you needing to recover for weeks. So I kiss your knuckles soft like a vow, and you smile like you know this is different now. Whisper, hands like prayer, that's how I wanna love you. Hands like prayer, touch so fair in the quiet air. I'm right here. Hands like prayer, slow and true. Let me be gentle with all of you. Hands like prayer, no rush, no fear. I list you scoffed, it feels clear. I trace the lines in your palm like a map of your story. All the times you survived when nobody saw your glory. And I think, how could anyone be careless with this? So I promise with my actions, with patience, with kiss after kiss, slow enough to let you decide. You lean in and I hold you close like a safe place to hide, not from life but from noise, from pressure, from the constant demand to be strong and together. And here you can soften, and here you can breathe, and here you can walk without feeling like you have to prove anything to me. We let the music hold us like a warm tide, and the night turns sweet on the inside. Whisper if your mind starts racing. Look at me, I'm here. Some touch is loud, some touch is greedy, but this touch is healing, this touch is needy in the best way. Hey, love needs closeness to grow, so we stay slow, we stay honest, we stay gentle, we let the peace show. Hands like prayer, touch so fair in the quiet air. I'm right here. Hands like prayer, slow and true. Let me be gentle with all of you. Hands like prayer, no rush, no fear. it feels clear. The music fades, but the calm remains on. Because we love with kindness, now it changes. Whisper hands like prayer. That's my favorite kind of desire. Oh. Morning light slips in like it's trying not to interrupt. The world looks softer when you wake up loved. A slow piano, like a heart still humming on the string, and you beside me, like the night meant something. Whisper good morning, stay a little longer. There's a difference between a night and a memory you keep, between a moment you forget and a moment that teaches you peace. And last night it wasn't about heat alone. It was about safety, about feeling at home. We didn't rush, we didn't force, we didn't pretend. We let the tenderness lead all the way to the end of our fear, of our doubt, of our old reflex to run. Now the morning comes quiet and we still one soft breath, one warm presence, one steady embrace. You look at me with sleepy eyes and I see the calm in your face. And I think this is what I wanted, not the drama, not the chase. Just a love that stays gentle when the night fades. Whisper if you ever wonder what you deserve. It's this peace with passion, soft with truth. Morning afterglow, let it move slow, like a song we don't want to let go. Morning afterglow, sweet and warm, warm. No regrets, no fear, no storm. Morning afterglow, stay close, stay near. Right side is a home, then keep me here. We talk a little, girl, not heavy, not deep. That's what is just an easy kind of conversation that makes the heart keep believing. We laugh at nothing, we kiss like it's natural, and the world outside feels less brutal. Because love like this doesn't drain you, it restores, it doesn't leave you anxious about what's in store. It doesn't make you guess if you'll be okay. It makes you feel okay in the present day. So even if we part later, even if life calls loud, we'll carry this calm like a soft private cloud. And if desire returns in the daylight, it's still gentle, still respectful, still right. Because grown romance isn't just a night, it's how someone treats you when the sun hits the light. Whisper, I'm not here for one moment, I'm here for the way we can keep choosing each other. Let the morning witness what the night began. A love with boundaries, a love that understands, a love that's patient, a love that's kind, a love that leaves you softer in your mind. So whatever comes next, whatever the world may throw, we've got this morning afterglow. Let it move slow, like a song we don't want to let go. Morning afterglow, sweet and warm, warm. No regrets, no fear, no storm. Morning afterglow, stay close, stay near. Right side is a home, then keep me here. The light gets brighter, but you don't let go. And I don't either. Whisper morning afterglow, that's the kind of love I want. The lamp is low, like it's trying to be polite. Soft keys on the speaker slow, velvet night. Your shadow crosses the room like a secret and heals. And my chest gets quiet so my heart can feel. Whisper, come closer, no rush it, no rush, just signals. I learned that the sweetest nights don't start with fire, fire. They start with comfort, with calm, honest desire. With the way you look at me like you be asking permission, like you know romance is built on respect and attention. So I move slow enough for you to change your mind, slow enough for your body to feel safe and kind. Your hands touching my shoulders like you're testing the truth, like you've been through enough to need gentleness too. And I don't take that lightly. I don't play with your trust. I don't treat your softness like it's something to rush. I watch the way you breathe when the music dips low, how your eyes get heavy when the mood starts to glow. You don't say much as I met your stairs, but your silence is loud, like a language you speak when you don't want a crowd. So I listen with patience, I listen with care. I listen like your comfort is the main thing in the air. I step in and stop, give you room to decide. And you lean toward me softly like you're done with hiding. Whisper, tell me yes, it's when no, tell me not yet, if it ain't the way. I'm here. Silk signals, slow and clear signals. One soft touch and I'm right here. Silk signals, no push, no pull, no pull, just love so calm. It feels powerful. Silk signals in candlelight. If it feels good and it feels right. Silk signals, stay close, stay true. I'll read your heart the way you want me to. Your smile is small, but it does something big, like the room just got warmer without changing a thing. I trace the edge of your hand like a gentle refrain, and you exhale my name like it washes out pain. You've got that after dark energy, not reckless, not loud, just a deep, steady confidence that doesn't need a crowd. And I love that you check in with a look, with a pause, like you understand that romance is lost. So when I kiss you, I keep it slow enough to feel the moment bloom, to feel the trust. No drama, no games, no trying to prove, just two grown hearts locked into a velvet groove. Your fingers find the back of my neck and I feel that shiver, that respect and direct, that kind of heat that comes from being seen, from knowing you're safe in the space between. We sway a little like the music is holding us up, like the world outside can wait while we fill our cup with softness, with closeness, with breath that matches breath, the kind of intimacy that feels like depth. Whisper if you want me closer, say it if you want me to slow down, say that too. We can be sensual without being careless. We can be bold without being reckless. We can let the night get warm and still keep it kind, because nothing is sexier than peace of mind. So I won't assume, I won't take, I won't rush your pace. I'll keep checking in with my hands in my face. If you won't laugh like a chore that's right, I'll throw you down now. Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, oh, yeah. Yeah. Silk signals, say I'm so